What is up, y'all? Today we're gonna go fishing in my pond for the second day in a row. Yesterday we caught one fish. Today, hoping for more than one, basically. So. Alright, once again, fishing with the Texas rig fluke. Alright, we got one. What is that? Did I just catch a crappie? I just caught a crappie, but I might be eating this. Oh no, he's not very big. If he was bigger, I would eat him. He got a big belly on him, though. Look at that. He got a big belly on him. I don't know, hold on. Let me call my dad real quick. So I'm fishing, right? I caught a crappie. Can I eat it? I caught a crappie. Can I eat it?
Can you eat it?
Yeah.
Oh, yeah, it's a big one. You videoing?
Yeah. He's not very big. I'm probably just gonna put him back in the water.
I mean, I just need to show you how to fillet them.
Yeah. Alright, so after identifying it, it is a green sunfish. I don't know if you can. There it is against the sun. Green sunfish. But I didn't even know these were in our pond. But I'm gonna go ahead and release him and get back to fishing. Okay, here we go. There he goes. Swimming off. Alright, I'll come back fishing after I'm gonna make me breakfast because I'm starving. Right now I just have that sunfish. Haven't caught nothing else, but come back out later and catch more. Yeah. Got him. Oh yeah, it's a little better. Still about a pound or so, but it's still pretty fish. Let's see if I can get this off of here real quick. Show y'all before this battery goes dead. There we go. Yeah, see? Not a bad little fish. Maybe right under a pound. Get him back in there. Whoop. Fix this fluke. Get back in the water. See what we got going on here first. There we go. Try to catch that other one as up in there. Might have to go up to the Kubota and get me a new fluke. Might have to make a Walmart run here a little bit and buy a new pack of them. Oh! That one felt a little better. Yeah, this fluke's about had it. Throw this out here one more time. See if I can't catch this real quick. There it is. Oh, it was on there. Yeah, every time I touch it, this thing messes up, so I'm gonna shut this camera down, go get me a new fluke, and there we go. Camera fell off the mount, so I'm gonna go get me a new fluke. I'm gonna put this camera and microphone up.